Hi music fans and jar fans alike, it's me Uscript back for more informational tips. This time it's about Sonar X1 Essentials from Cakewalk, and I'm using Dimension LE1 with a preset sound of Equinoxe 5 lead, which when I play it you'll know what I'm talking about. Like that, but you can hear a bit of reverb on that, which you can alter if you've already got the DAW. Do it how you want to do it. It's on large haul with a pre-delay of about 14 seconds, or you can have it quicker than that. But if you listen to Equinoxe 5 original theme, you'll hear that the lead sound has a slight bit of either chorus or reverb mixed together. It's a very slight amount and delay he uses with the sound. I'll give you a sound demonstration in a minute. So there you go, folks. Equinoxe 5 lead. If you ever get sonar, check it out. There's also another lead which sounds similar to the eminent phaser sound, which is contained within the Dimension LE program, which you can find yourself. I shall sign off now and then get to part 2, playing the actual instrument along with Equinoxe 5. See you soon.